Hello children, welcome back to our class. Today we will see the poem The Little Rubber Duck from Unit 1 Friends Forever. Children, first of all, we will see the learning objectives of this poem to enable the students to recite the poem with rhythm, to enhance the vocabulary and use the keywords to form new sentences, to enable the students to find rhyming words from the poem, to enable the students to relate the poem with their life. These are the some objectives of the poem. Children, the poetess of this poem is Agnes Joseph. Here in this poem she expresses the thought of the boy while playing the rubber duck in a water tub or bathtub. Now children, first of all we will read the poem The Little Rubber Duck. Children, here little means small or very small. My little rubber duck, I love to make you float around in my tub like a mini boat. My yellow rubber duck, I like to make you dip in the lovely soapy water and sometimes do a flip. My playmate rubber duck, pouring water on your back. Oh, I wish you would turn and shout hello with a quack. Children, here you can see that boy is playing with the little or small yellow color duck. Here you can find some rhyming words in this poem like duck, float, boat, dip, flip, back, quack. So these are the some rhyming words, children. Here in this poem my little rubber duck. Children, here little means very small. Float means hang. Tub, it is a container. Around in my tub means it is a container. Boat, small. The boy is thinking that I love to make you float around in my tub like a mini boat. Here boat means watercraft. My yellow rubber duck, I like to make you dip. Children, dip means immerse in the lovely soapy water and sometimes do a flip. Flip means turn over. My playmate rubber duck, playmate means friend. Playmate means here friend. Pouring water on your back. Pour means flow of water on your back. Oh, I wish you would turn. Turn means go around. And shout hello with a quack. Shout means here call or cry. Children, now I want to share some information about ducks. Ducks are mostly aquatic birds. Okay, aquatic means related to the water. And these aquatic birds living in both freshwater and seawater. For example, goose, little grebe, great egret, domestic duck, mute swan. These are some examples of aquatic birds. Do you know, children, a baby duck is called duckling. Ducks are, and a male duck is called drake. And ducks are omnivorous. Ducks are called as omnivorous. Why? Because they eat grass, plants, insects, seeds, fruits, fish, etc. And do you know omnivorous means? Omnivorous means they eat both plants and animals. So here ducks are eating plants also and animals also. Means grass, plants, insects, seeds, fruits, fish. They are eating now all this. So they are called as omnivorous. And ducks are making the sound quack, quack. Now children, I know that when you were baby, that time you all played with duck. Did you play? Yes. Now children, we will do one activity, dip and flip. The name of that activity is dip and flip. So here, for that, you need to take one tub containing water and one small little rubber duck. So here, in this way, after taking the necessary things, you have to dip a duck in water. You have to dip a duck in water and then flip. Stroke your back. Flip and stroke your back. As I told you, dip means immerse and flip means turn over. So in this way you have to do this activity, children, and enjoy the activity. And recite the poem. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.